Today on Secret Super Chef we have Strawberry Delight. Strawberries are in season and I had to experiment something. So this is what I have come up with. Something very interesting, at the same time easy and very delicious. With very few ingredients, you can very easily make this recipe at home and it does not really take a lot of time. And just to let you know, it was gone in 60 seconds. Let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 250 grams of fresh strawberries. Roughly chop the strawberries. Transfer the chopped strawberries into a pan. These strawberries were very sweet, hence I'm not adding a lot of sugar. Just added 2 teaspoons, but if you feel that your strawberries are sour, adjust the sweetness. All we have to do is cook the strawberries till they become nice and mushy. Almost like a jam consistency. Do not add any water, the strawberry will release its own water and all we have to do is evaporate that water. The strawberry jam looks all ready. While the flame is still low, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of homemade paneer. You can use store-bought ready-made paneer as well. With the back of the spoon, crumble the paneer and cook it along with the jam. Adding paneer will give a nice texture and volume to the jam, so when we set it, it will set nice and firmly. Though this won't be very firm, but it won't be very runny too. I've cooked this for almost 5 to 7 minutes and it almost looks like a nice strawberry kalakan to me. And it really smells amazing. Take your serving dish and transfer the entire strawberry kalakan at the bottom of the dish. Make sure to take a deep dish. Once you have transferred the strawberry kalakan into the dish, let it cool and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the topping. In a pan, take the remaining paneer. Altogether, I have taken 250 grams of paneer, out of which 2 tablespoons were used in the jam. Now, I am going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Milkmaid. All we have to do is cook the paneer and the Milkmaid to a nice desired consistency. Not very thin, not very thick. If you cook it too longer, the paneer will become too chewy. So make sure to retain little bit of liquid. Once the paneer starts to cook, it will release a lot of liquid. All we have to do is evaporate that liquid to a little extent. So in the end, we have that little danedar or grainy texture. This is exactly what I'm looking for. The taste of this cream is very similar to the plain kalakan. And now all we have to do is transfer this layer over our strawberry kalakan. Make sure to let it cool completely before transferring. Layer this all over the strawberry mixture. Transfer the entire mixture over it. With the back of the spoon, even it out. Make sure it's spread evenly. A strawberry delight is ready, but make sure to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes so that it sets up completely. Before serving, garnish it with some fresh strawberries. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on them. Thank you.